Introducing Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets, the revolutionary solution for eco-conscious laundry care. Say goodbye to plastic waste and hello to a cleaner planet with our innovative zero-waste detergent. Designed to be gentle on both your clothes and skin, our ultra-concentrated sheets dissolve effortlessly, offering powerful cleaning without the environmental guilt. What is Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets? Revolutionizing the laundry game, Miracle Detergent Sheets are zero-waste, ultra-concentrated laundry detergent sheets. With only 4 natural ingredients, these sheets are gentle on your skin and tough on stains. Perfect for all machines, including high-efficiency ones, they dissolve quickly and effectively in both hot and cold water. Four features of Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets. Eco-friendly. Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets boast zero-waste, biodegradable packaging and ingredients, reducing plastic waste and environmental impact. Skin-sensitive. Formulated with just 4 natural ingredients, they are hypoallergenic, ideal for sensitive skin, and free of harsh chemicals. Convenient and precise. Pre-cut and pre-measured, these sheets offer hassle-free laundry, eliminating the need for measuring cups and reducing spills. Space-efficient. With compact packaging, Miracle Detergent Sheets save storage space, fitting easily into any laundry room cabinet or drawer. Why we love Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets? Eco-friendly, zero-waste, biodegradable sheets minimize environmental impact. Skin-friendly, hypoallergenic formula with 4 natural ingredients, gentle on sensitive skin. Convenient, pre-cut and pre-measured sheets for hassle-free laundry. Space-saving, compact packaging reduces clutter and storage space. Versatile, effective in all machines, including high-efficiency, safe for septic systems. How does Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets work? Powered by just 4 natural ingredients, Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets offer a potent yet gentle cleaning solution. Their ultra-concentrated formula ensures effective stain removal without harsh chemicals, making them safe for both your clothes and your skin. Simply toss a sheet into the machine with your laundry and watch as odors and stains vanish with ease. Why should you choose Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets? Opting for Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets means choosing a cleaner planet and healthier laundry routine. With zero-waste packaging and biodegradable ingredients, you're making an eco-friendly choice that reduces plastic waste and carbon emissions. Plus, their ultra-concentrated formula saves space, minimizes mess, and delivers powerful cleaning performance without compromising on gentleness for your skin or the environment. How much and where to buy? Package 1 offers 32 loads, ideal for singles or couples, with one-time purchase options at $24.99 or $19.99 through subscription, saving up to 35%. Package 2, the most popular choice, provides 96 loads for households of 2 to 3 people, priced at $49.99 for a single purchase, a 46% discount, or $39.99 through subscription. Package 3, the best value, includes 160 loads suitable for larger households, with one-time purchase and subscription options at $74.95 and $59.95, respectively, saving up to 61%. Enjoy significant discounts and stock up on eco-friendly laundry solutions. Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets Reviews complaints. For more details, please refer to the description on techidevis.com. Thanks for watching! Say hello to cleaner laundry and a greener planet with Miracle Laundry Detergent Sheets. With zero-waste packaging and hypoallergenic formula, these sheets offer powerful cleaning without harming your skin or the environment. Choose from our convenient packages tailored to your household size and enjoy discounts of up to 61%. Subscribe now to save even more and never worry about running out of detergent again. Make the switch to Miracle Detergent Sheets today for a brighter, fresher tomorrow.